Hello. Salamet sizderme. Dobry dane. The United States mission to Kazakhstan is honored to work with individuals and communities across Kazakhstan to advance the rights of people with disabilities. The year 2020 marks the 30th anniversary of the signing of the Americans with Disabilities Act, or ADA. The ADA is a civil rights law that prohibits discrimination against individuals with disabilities in all areas of public life and makes sure that they have the same rights and opportunities as everyone else. Disability rights are basic human rights, not special rights. Persons with disabilities have the same rights as all people to non-discrimination and full participation in society. We are committed to recruiting and retaining qualified individuals with disabilities. Please visit our website for information on employment opportunities with the U.S. mission to Kazakhstan. I invite you now to learn more about contributions made by people with disabilities in Kazakhstan and our work together.